This is a nice time to come and shop at our leisure. And all the Santa Claus is wonderful, the juggle, all the entertainment for the kids. It's just a really fun day at the airport.
My band Love Betty has been fortunate enough to play here for 4 years in a row, and we just love it. It's so much fun. You know, there's all these little kids that come and dance, and people traveling throughout, you know, shopping or on their way to or from somewhere, and it's a really good time.
This was something we could all kind of come and do in the airport. Usually when we're here at the airport, we're scurrying around and rushing to get someplace or to a gate, so it was kind of fun to come in this environment and not be rushed, just kind of walk around and have some fun.